Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a 2010 Mercury Milan, and we're going to show you guys how to replace your door handle. As you can see, guys.
First we have to take out this little cover with a knife
Yes.
so we don't damage it. There's a little screw cover
Yes.
that's held in with tension.
See.
And we got that out.
Okay.
Then we'll take a little wrench and unscrew it.
Unscrew it, guys. So, guys, there we go.
Now you can remove this cover.
Without removing it, you can tell.
Here's the part we have to replace.
Okay.
Here's the new one.
Yes, this is the new one that my dad ordered. And
There's screws.
And this is the old one.
There's screws
Right.
here and there. We got to get the right wrench
Yeah.
for all these screws. Looks like it's going to be a socket.
Okay.
So these screwdrivers aren't going to work. It's got to be a socket.
Okay.
So I'll get the right tool. Stop it.